Having a chill time is always a dream for many. That fun doubles when you can travel the whole world with two passports. It does sound like a James Bond movie, but it is quite possible. So today we're gonna take 6 countries where you can have a permanent residency quite easily. Hey guys, I'm Ishan and you're watching the Rebound Box, signing in. Number 6. Malta is a beautiful European country that is renowned for its heritage. What is more beautiful is its citizenship program. You can obtain the Maltese citizenship through making a non-refundable contribution in the amount of 650,000 euro and acquiring an amount of 150,000 euro in government bonds, in addition to purchasing or renting a property in the country. The process of obtaining the Maltese European citizenship takes an approximate time of 9 to 12 months, which is relatively quite easier and quite sooner. Number 5. Portugal is a great country to get a citizenship from. Its passport is first class with visa-free access to 159 countries in 2020, which includes the ability to live, work and travel freely in all 28 member states of the European Union. All you need is to apply for your initial visa to stay in Portugal from your local consulate. Once you have your visa, you must travel to Portugal to obtain your temporary residence permit, which you will receive after a visit with the local authorities. During the first year of the residence permit, you will be required to spend a minimum of 4 months in the country and can't leave for more than 6 consecutive months. After the first year, your temporary residence permit renews in 2-year intervals. During each 2-year period, you have to spend at least 16 months in the country and can't leave for more than 6 consecutive months. After 5 years of temporary residency in Portugal, you will be eligible for permanent residency and citizenship. So if you have a few years and don't have grandparents from Ireland, Italy or Germany, then Portugal is currently the European country where it is the easiest to get citizenship. Number 4. Panama is one of the easiest places to get citizenship in the world because of its simple fast-track residency process, and residency in this case is the first step towards a second passport. The process works like this. You go to the Panama, use one of the 50 plus options to apply for residency. Once you submit your residency application, you can leave. Then you come back few months later, pick your documents and ID card. You're now a legal resident of Panama. You can live in Panama if you want to, and it's great, modern, beautiful place with a thriving economy, but you don't have. After 2 years, you apply in Panama to renew your residency. Then after a total of 5 years of residency, you can apply for naturalization. It helps if you can speak at least some Spanish and if you can show some social or business ties to Panama. Yes, it takes some time, 5 years of residency, but the process is generally hassle-free and simple, and 5 years is actually not a lot of time to wait when it comes to non-ancestry based second citizenship. The only major drawback of Panamanian citizenship is that the passport itself is not considered a tier 1 document. In other words, you don't get into as many countries visa-free, hassle-free with a Panamanian passport as you would say a Portuguese passport. Number 3. South America offers many excellent easy second passport options. One of them is Argentina, which offers the fastest way to get citizenship in the region. After obtaining residency in Argentina, you can qualify for full citizenship after only 2 years of living there. 2 years is incredibly fast by all international standards. Argentina's passport is also pretty solid travel document with visa-free access to more than 150 countries, including all of the Europe and Russia, Southeast Asia, South America. The only drawback is that an Argentinian passport does not give you visa-free access to the US or Canada. All you need is to get a residency visa 1 year and renew it afterward for 1 more year. Beside the visa, you have to live there for 6 months each year and spend $2,000 per month in Argentine banks. Number 2. Brazil is such an easy passport to get because it is the king of flexible citizenship options. Getting married, adopting a child, even adopting a rainforest in some cases. And it can happen in as little as 1 to 3 years. One option is to marry a Brazilian citizen and apply for permanent residency immediately after that. 1 year of permanent residency and you can apply for naturalization and a Brazilian passport. Another option is to having a baby in Brazil. There is one example where the baby automatically became Brazilian. 10 months later, the parents gained permanent residency as well. A year later, and yes, they lived in Brazil the whole time, the couple qualified for the naturalization. What's more, the family reunification visa could allow the couple to bring their parents in as well. You don't need to speak basic Portuguese to become a citizen, but you don't need to be fluent. But guys, before we jump into the number one spot, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe us out. Number one, if money isn't an issue, then you could look into acquiring citizenship by investment from one of a number of Caribbean nations. The region is home to 5 citizenship by investment programs and is responsible for making the sale of citizenship in exchange for donation mainstream around the world. After Hurricane Maria ravaged the region in 2017, several Caribbean nations made their program even more attractive by literally having their prices halved to attract the capital. In response, St. Lucia became the first country to offer a COVID-19 discount on its citizenship by investment program. You can now buy a 250,000 bond from St. Lucia, which will be paid back after 5 years. That means you could buy citizenship for as little as the cost of filing fee, about $40,000. But keep in mind that most of the value of that money lost to inflation. Then there is the opportunity cost of having 250,000 tied up for 5 years, plus the risk of St. Lucia defaulting on its bond obligations. Still, for some people, it is an option worth considering. For families, we suggest looking at Antigua and Barbuda, where a family of 4 can get citizenship on an island for just $141,000. An Antiguan passport is similar to that of St. Lucia in that it gives you access to 129 countries visa-free, including the European Union but excluding the US and Canada. In both cases, there is no residency requirement, meaning you will simply have to show up to collect your passport, but you are not required to spend any time at all in all the country after that. The processing time for the entire process is around 3 to 5 months. So if you are looking for an expedited passport in a tax haven and you have the means, then a Caribbean passport for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you gained some knowledge from it. I will be back with another video. Until then, have fun, take care.